Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Knits. Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive Bluehost discount with you all. To grab this special offer, simply click the link in the description below and the discount will automatically be applied at checkout. The latest Bluehost promo code is already preloaded in the link provided, so you don't have to worry about entering it manually. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll find the different hosting plans offered by Bluehost. The entry-level plan is called Basic, and as you can see, it allows you to host just 10 websites. If you're just getting started, this is the plan for you. The next plan is called Choice Plus, and it lets you host up to 50 websites. If you're planning to manage multiple websites, this option will suit you better. All you need to do is choose the plan that best fits your needs and proceed with the purchase. It's that easy. Plus, Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with your purchase, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. Now, a bit about Bluehost. It's one of the most popular hosting providers, known for offering excellent value, strong performance, and being super beginner-friendly. It's also officially recommended by WordPress, which is a big deal. When it comes to uptime, Bluehost stands out with a solid 99.98% uptime rate, meaning your site will be up and running most of the time. One of the things I really like about Bluehost is its one-click WordPress installation, making it easy to get your site set up quickly. If you're new to website building, Bluehost also provides a handy checklist to guide you through the setup process, including things like organizing your navigation or customizing your design. Customer support is another area where Bluehost shines. Out of all the hosting providers I've used, their customer support team has been the most impressive. They're available 24/7 via phone, email, or chat, so you can always get help when you need it. To recap, if you're interested in this Bluehost discount, all you need to do is click the link in the description or in the first pinned comment below to claim the limited time offer. That's it for today's video, everyone. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay blessed.